If I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
What's poppin', Journey Squad? It is your girl, and I'm back with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, your girl is excited. I'm happy that I was able to upgrade my phone because it was definitely time for a freaking upgrade. Okay, sis, your girl had the 11, and it was time to upgrade. The cool thing with this was when I bought my 11, I bought it outright. So I was able to just like upgrade just like that. So yeah. So right now we're just gonna open up the phone. I feel like I don't even really need to walk y'all through this because I mean it's opening up a phone. But yeah, so I just opened up my phone, which is, y'all, it is an upgrade from this freaking 11. Okay, like the 11 is so small compared to the 13. So I'm excited that I'm able to get my big screen back, girl. Okay, because your girl was out here struggling with the little screen, but she is back in the game with the full screen. But yeah, so this is the back of the phone, obviously. And then we're gonna get into the box. Y'all already know it comes with the charger port, or the charger cable, not the port. And the, you know, the instructions and stuff like that, along with the sticker. But for real, we're gonna set this aside because we didn't come here to get what's inside the box. We came here to get inside this goddamn phone. Okay, so I like that Apple put the this type of paper on it instead of the other paper. Shout out to Nail Addict for sponsoring this video, you guys. They sent me some really poppin', pretty, vibrant colors, you guys. These colors are so freaking beautiful and so freaking cute. Y'all really need to go and check them out. I mean, when I mean to tell y'all, they have, I mean, a plethora of colors to choose from. They have a plethora of colors. And those last two bottles that I'm gonna pick up here is the base coat and the top coat. But you guys, go and check them out. Not only are their colors booming, but they are also, okay, they are also, let me tell y'all, they're also never tested on animals, and they're non-toxic. Okay, you guys need to go and check them out. These colors are so vibrant and so pretty. I'll be leaving the link in my description box for you to get 50% off of your order. So y'all need to go and check Nail Addict out. Go and check them out. But with further ado, you guys, we're gonna jump back into the video. So if you have an iPhone, you know that it takes a minute for it to power on and update and do all that fun stuff. So I'm going to cut this video down a lot and just kind of let you guys see. I did go on to Five Below and buy 2 phone cases. I bought that white one right there. And then I'm also going to take this one out of the pack, which is just kind of like a clear case. But yeah, it takes a minute for everything to set up. So I don't want to talk throughout the rest of this little video. So I'm going to just shut up and let you guys see me set it up, and I'll show you what it's looking like at the end. Bye, love y'all.
Baby.